Hello and welcome to my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on April the 14th, 2022 in North Dakota and Manitoba, the USA. "24 hours after it began, a blizzard continues to rage across North Dakota. Five of the state's 53 counties are in state of snow danger. Blizzard warnings continue to be posted for travel bans and road closures. In North Dakota, many people have seen 10 to 18 inches of snow, with the total increasing hour after hour.
So this is what it's like.
Towering piles of wind-blown snow are exceeding several feet. A historic blizzard has dropped about a foot of snow in the Minot area at 8 a.m. on Wednesday. Subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.